Are you craving a snack that's both crispy and cheesy? Dive into our garlic cheese potatoes recipe. Step 1. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. While it's heating up, grab 4 medium potatoes, wash them up, and slice them into thin rounds. Think potato chips, but, better. Next, in a big ol' mixing bowl, toss those potato slices with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 3 minced garlic cloves, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Make sure every slice is feeling the love. Now spread the potato slices evenly on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Remember, no overlaps. We want maximum crispiness here, people. Pop those bad boys in the oven and bake for 20 to 25 minutes until they're golden and crispy on the edges. Your kitchen's about to smell amazing. Once crispy, pull out the baking sheet and sprinkle 1 cup of shredded cheese over the potatoes. Cheddar or mozzarella, your call. Back in the oven for another 5 to 10 minutes until the cheese is melty and bubbly. Finally, sprinkle with some fresh parsley if you're feeling fancy. Serve hot and get ready to fall in love with these crispy, cheesy, garlicky bites. Enjoy!